Hi Geminis, this is going to be right from 22 March till 28th of March. Though timeless readings, okay, and sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's start with your reading. Follow me there because I do go live, okay, and at times if you miss, because I do my schedule and all the stuff, so you can watch them later on IGTV, okay? Yeah. Let's start with your reading. These three cards are on the ground, on the floor, okay? So basically I'm getting this message of like when I was meditating for you, it came through as if harmony, HARMONY. Some of you are completing this connected with number 6. This is something which is connected with your years or months of some kind of connection here, relationship, because these are all for other connections, friendships and everything also, but apart from that, twin flames and soulmates. I see harmony entering, peace, PEACE, peace. Oh my god, and you have 4 of Wands energy, which is amazing, because this to me, when you look in the mirror, like in the camera, the reflection gives me a 6 of Wands energy, which is about overcoming something. Now this is a rest time, and again this is number 6. As I talked about, there's certain kind of harmony in your relationships, in your settlements, in your issues, in your business, whatever it is, you are going to get hold of that, okay? So I'm going to use this first card as your overall energy. No, I don't know what they're trying to say, but there's harmony. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you have the hero. This is your move. This is your solace. Okay, people are taking decisions here. Now this is about a Cancerian. Maybe you're dealing with one Gemini. But I see like there is someone who is working on recapturing certain moment, certain decision, certain emotion with someone. Let's begin, because I see this movement is about harmony. I don't see it as moving away. It is something connected with moving on with your solace, with your harmony basically, okay? Now let's see. Knight of Cups. There is love in your life, maybe from a Cancerian you're going to, because there is also travel, there is also movement, there is harmony coming in your life. Basically, I feel like someone is giving you their cup, or you are, but I feel like this is you are going to be presented with this. There may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean, but I see like this is exchange of rainbows. This is someone who is doing like their cup towards you, giving you that. This is about greeting. This is about inviting someone in your life. You might be doing it, or someone else is doing it, okay? Yeah, Page of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean. Okay, we're going to dig deep here. But I feel like this should be like this. Oh, no. No. So I feel like this is about your current zone of experiencing rainbow from both the sides. It is about conversation, to and fro, I see. It is also about plan on meeting and people missing on this harmony in order to make decision. I see like to capture the moment, or to capture, there's a decision en route, and obviously this is polar opposite. Like this is some of connection that makes sense. It is like, for example, it's an Aquarius and a Leo, polar attraction, okay? That kind of energy is here. Just an example. But here for Geminis, I feel like someone is giving you the cup. There's a fulfillment I see. There is a harmony I see in relationship, obviously. Okay? This is some expression that someone is putting out towards you. With the 4 of Wands energy, this is like claiming the love of life. This is like claiming the situation of now. And this is going to be the alternate energy of like if you have tears, they have tears. If something is hurting you, it is hurting this energy, the person as well. I do feel that. Let's see. There's a, I don't know why I was about to say solar energy. I don't know how come. There might be a Leo of fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but I see like a solar. This solar is obviously connected with the hope, birth, giving energy. Our earth is having life because of solar, like soul, sun, and because of soul. So solar, okay? Does it make sense? It's energy giving. It's something King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean. This is someone who is bringing this. They're ready to share this with you. And I do feel that, this is a phase where people are becoming each other's partners, or in real sense becoming serious about the matter. That's what I say. There is love. Something is, I'm hearing, something has reached on a higher level. Okay. Yes, I have to show you this, because King of Cups is connected with Queen of Swords energy. It's your vibe, Gemini. This is about emotions and clarifications and clear communication, and we shall own each other's place. Like, you sit by my side, I sit by your side. That kind of energy. Yes, you people are making plans on how to manifest this harmony, because you are working on that. Okay. Okay, let's see in your future. I'm going to take out connecting cards as well. Four of Pentacles and the Moon. This is certain kind of a situation that no one wants to lose out on. This connection is solid. It may feel compact at times, but someone is afraid to lose the other energy. It's about, yes, I am rigid about certain matters, but can we figure this out? Because there is this duality. There might be a Piscean, but this stage is still on. It's not over. It is, you people are rotating around one another in a karmic cycle. First thing, and someone is very emotional. Okay. It's like the message is coming, we are not meant to lose out on one another. Okay. This is about, what is the use of lingering on just thoughts? Let's manifest it. Whoa. These two cards came out. Judgment with the Two of Swords energy. Like, we are just crossing each other's path. This time we need to talk. It's something that is in demand of clarification, confusion, or something that you're not claiming. I'm hearing the words again and again, not claiming something. Two of Swords energy. Supposedly you should talk. There's a callback. For me, Judgment is a callback. So you people will end up talking things through, because there is something that you are unaware. There is certain kind of thing person is feeling though, but not reciprocating. There is someone who's keeping things inside here. And beyond that, there is a Sun. It's about the good mornings and the good nights that you people want to have together. But it's also someone who might be having their own complexities, or a compact zone where they are keeping those things inside. And it's going to resolve the moment you talk. Patience is being checked here. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, results will be out. Whatever is happening, it's going to be out. Let's see what kind of energy you're working on. Like on the Hero, which is the movement, the Chariot. Okay. There is this energy also I'm getting, like, for someone's harmony, someone is making a move, like going away or something. But actually, whether you go away, there's still something left karmically. The Moon phase, it's on. Oh my God, I just said karmically and you have karma. It's like someone need to come over to resolve this Five of Swords energy. The pressure the person is going through. Yeah, King of Swords, you need to hold on to. And with the Six of Swords, this is just a move energy. Maybe someone need to make a move to have this reunion here. Okay. Okay, we'll see. We'll see on the Hero. Okay. Hero in this deck. But yes, of course, karma. Geminis. You can take it as a heart card, which is my advice, or soul purpose, whatever your path should be on this. If you really want to listen to, if you really believe this, if you need to be responsible for your karma. Geminis, okay. I hear peace, I hear harmony, I hear 6-digit, which may be connected with something numerologically. If you are interested in that, I also see 6 years or 6 months kind of energy. Okay, maybe you are going to manifest something in 6 days or 6 hours, possible, because look, there are so many Geminis out there. These are general readings, so we're going to see it. And the Hero, they're not letting me read from this. Souls and spirits, please give us the card. You're manifesting something and you got the Magician. You got the Magician. Ace of Wands, that's the bottom. That's my karma card. Okay, you are putting out something. Magician is manifestation. First thing. What you dearly want. I heard the word what you dearly want. There's this connection is to infinity. This is like changing shapes, but there is a connection. There's a knot I see. Might be changing shapes, but it's as above, so below kind of energy. There is a word I'm hearing, I need to, I have to. Someone over here will do. Okay? So you are manifesting either your love here, because there's a high energy of this love. Someone, you're manifesting your love, possible they are giving you this, and that's why the manifestation goes from either side. Page of Cups, you people are talking. This is a brilliant idea you people are sharing. Brilliant idea to come out of karmic cycles and delusion. Something that you're unaware, because they hold feelings. It's just that someone is afraid to lose you. This may be a callback energy of the past matter. I picked up the numbers digit 6, which may connect with 6 of Cups energy as well, resurgence, okay? Let's see on Knight of Cups. Look, Knight of Cups, you love someone or someone loves you. King of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I see this is your energy. You're just holding your thoughts. It's time to make a move, okay? Open up. This person is giving you their cup. They are ready to love you, okay? And you might have gone through some kind of healing or separation or something in your past possible, or maybe misunderstandings with this person, but I feel like you're manifesting your things. Maybe I feel like you're figuring out your harmony and peace, but I feel this is time to organize. This is time to see that this person loves you. They have nothing else just to give you emotions and love. Yeah, I see that. Let's see on Page of Cups. Page of Cups, okay. You are unable to believe that someone is here. You have trust issues, okay, because of past experiences. I'll be back. You have issues because Knight of Wands energy is coming with 7 of Swords energy. Even if they smile, you might be feeling that there is betrayal beneath it, beneath emotions. Maybe you dealt with someone of an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and they did this, and that's why there's a triangle. There might be a choice, there might be move. I'm telling you, there's a wise choice coming in the midst of whole of this concept of whether I should or I should not. With the 3 of Swords energy, but there is love. I'm telling you, there's harmony in your life coming. Maybe you recently had certain kind of experience, possible fluctuation, possible confusion, possible triangle, possible healing goes that way when you go for separation, maybe a divorce even, okay, because there are so many Geminis out there. But I feel like something happened, you because of that you cannot believe on this Page of Cups that is being given to you. If this is something new, okay, if this is a judgment callback, someone is coming up that I'm gonna clear that out, that crap out, that drama out. But you have trust issues on whatever is happening right now, because it came like this. You have trust issues. You don't trust this person if that's a callback. If this is even new, someone, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a bunch of like signs in the chart, you still have issues because you feel like the person is covering up. Okay, someone might be too fast, but they wanna say everything, and you still have those doubts. I feel someone is coming to clear out things. Everything like goes that way for your side as well, but I feel like that someone is coming around the corner to clear you all the stuff, whether it is lie, whether it is misunderstanding or rumors. It's a cover up. There's some things that you don't know here, okay? Yes, someone is doing like I did Aquarius reading and I said like a sneakaboo, not a peekaboo. So maybe something that you don't want to believe, okay? You just don't approve of this this energy somehow. So there's a choice, yeah. Let's see, because for some cases, Ten of Swords, it was sour. We talked about solar, and there's the sun. There is either a new birth ending and new beginning with someone, or maybe someone does want to talk to you. Let's see on the moon and 4 of Pentacles though. Queen of Wands energy. There's heavy fire sign as well. So there might be choice, or maybe in someone's chart it's falling. Okay, however it goes, and regardless of those genders and the signs here, Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel like they want to hold on to, they want to give you flowers, someone over here. They don't want to let you go, lose out on you, because that's what judgment is, callback. Okay, why there is a Seven of Swords attached? I feel like they have this energy of I'm gonna make up. For some cases, possible there's a not a convincing aspect but a manipulation, and you are ready to let go, and that's why maybe you're taking decision. But I feel like Seven of Swords, my eyes were on Seven of Swords. There might be, again, I'm telling you, choice between a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If that's not the case, it may be, I'm telling you, because everyone does have Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, so falling in someone's chart, yours or theirs, somehow. But there's Three of Pentacles. Maybe it's a choice as well. Like there's you and there are two choices. Certain matters you're coming up, triangle, I see. But with the Three of Pentacles here, sorry for that, on the Seven of Swords, I feel like they really want to manifest something with you. They want to explore something. There's a mystery connected with this person. Why this Judgment and Two of Swords? Yeah, Ace of Wands. I feel someone's defenses are up here, but Ace of Wands is my karma card. There is someone who's going to call you back. There's going to be action-oriented approach. And I feel with the Two of Swords energy, someone on Two of Swords, and you got two cards, actually Eight of Swords. This is something that is dissolving someone's thoughts. With this, the action that will be taken, that's going to clear out your path and your decision, and you no longer will be in the position of a mess. You know, that's what I hear. You know, I'm going to talk to you. Oh, baby, talk to me. Little bit of romance angels here. I'm having hiccups, don't mind. I'm feeling really thirsty. So listen, there are 2 to 3 things. First, a callback. Second, falling in charts, vice versa. Water sign and air, fire sign, sorry. Third, there might be choice of new love, like kind of energy. Depends. Yeah, something is unrequited here. Or was. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going, okay? Some of you are not ready, possible. You know, that's why defense is up energy. Maybe it's like, should I make a move or not? Because that hero is going further, making a move and manifesting other things. And while moving, they're having that thought of like, what should I do? Because you don't feel something for someone here. Or maybe the change of scenario is happening. Yeah, deception. You don't believe. I feel some of you are closing the chapter with someone, deception. Realizing that they don't love me or I don't. It's like unloved situation. Unloved because of the sneaky energy. Unloved because they betrayed or they created those doubts because they were always so fast. Possible manipulation, and you don't want to get into that. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. So I feel whomsoever is doing it, I feel you are removing that. What's in your future? Or let's just say let's say what? Romantic feelings. I feel if this is something new, you have to decide. But if there's something new, there's romantic feelings. Okay, your feelings are real and worth exploring. I also get 2 things. Okay, first, people are making a move, maybe a choice, coming out of deception, and they can't love someone because it's unrequited or was, and now it's like an unloved situation. In your future, romantic feelings and heart-to-heart conversations. Now, someone might realize this may be the overlapping energy of the person and coming out of the fact that, oh my god, this person is moving, and that's what will make them uneasy, and then judgment will come. Heart-to-heart conversation, they might end up talking, but one person is close enough. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So if this is something new, I feel some of you are totally in love with someone new here. New in the way, not random, I'm talking about. It's something, a move that you're doing after choosing, after analyzing. So harmony is definitely, it's sure. It's sure. You're overcoming something, being victorious over the matter. Maybe while moving, it's going to be a little difficult for you, or was difficult for you while you're making a move here. Of course it is. You're also having a flashback of memories and everything, but unless, you know, ultimately you're making a better decision in your life, okay? I hope this is going to help you guys. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.